This is the fashionable citizen network. Ever pondered over the intricacies of the 25th Amendment of the United States Constitution? Ever wondered if there are any exemptions to this crucial amendment? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into the heart of the matter today. The 25th Amendment, ratified in 1967, primarily clarifies the presidential line of succession and procedures for filling a vacancy in the vice presidency. It also provides measures for dealing with a president who is incapacitated, unable to perform their duties. But are there exceptions to these rules? The answer is a resounding yes. The first exemption lies in Section 3 of the amendment. It states that the president may declare themselves unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office, thus temporarily transferring power to the vice president. However, the president can reclaim his duties whenever he deems himself fit. There's no specific limit or condition that restricts when and how often a president can do this. The second exemption appears in Section 4. This section empowers the vice president and a majority of the executive officers to declare the president unable to discharge the powers and duties of his office. Here's the catch. The president can contest this declaration. If that occurs, a two-thirds majority in both the House and Senate is required to affirm the president's incapacity. If such a majority doesn't materialize, the president resumes his office. Now, what happens when these exemptions are violated? The Constitution remains silent on this point. It provides no specific penalties for violating the 25th Amendment's provisions. However, the impeachment process could be invoked if a president or vice president were to abuse these exemptions. To summarize, the 25th Amendment offers two key exemptions. The first allows the president to declare himself unable and later reclaim his duties without any restrictions on frequency or duration. The second permits the vice president and a majority of the executive officers to declare the president unable, but the president can contest this, requiring a two-thirds majority in Congress to affirm his incapacity. There are no explicit penalties for violations, but impeachment could be a potential recourse. Navigating the world of constitutional amendments and their exemptions can be quite a labyrinth, but with each exploration, we uncover the nuances that shape the governance of our nation. So, keep questioning, keep learning, because knowledge is the compass that helps us navigate this complex world of laws and amendments. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.